respiration by Cate,
James,
Maja, and Jonah.
There are four main parts of cellular respiration: glycolysis, pyruvic ringing, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain, and chemiosmosis. This focuses on the ETC and chemiosmosis. The electron transport chain and chemiosmosis is the process where the most ATP is made within cellular respiration. It is an aerobic process, which means it needs oxygen in order to perform its task.
The main goal of the ETC and chemiosmosis is to make as much ATP as possible. This step takes place in the inner membrane of the cristae inside the mitochondria. Surrounding the inner membrane is the inner membrane space and matrix.
To start the reaction, NADH is split into three parts: electrons, a charged hydrogen, and NAD+. In the first protein, the same reaction occurs in the second protein with FADH2. This takes the electrons from that and leaves you with FADH+ and 2H+. The electrons jump through the ETC and release energy as they go.
The energy that is being released is being used by the proteins to create a high concentration of hydrogens in the inner membrane space. The electrons pass through the final protein and bond a half oxygen and 2 hydrogens to make H2O, which is released as waste. Hydrogen passes through the ATP synthase to join ADP and a phosphate to produce ATP.
Inputs: 10 NADH, 2 FADH2, 32 through 34 ADP plus P, 6 O2. Outputs: 6 H2O, 2 FAD, 10 NAD+, 32 through 34 ATP.